Meaning of diversify.
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 Diversify. Diversify means to vary or expand the range of something, such as investments or product offerings, in order to reduce risk and increase opportunities for growth. By diversifying, an individual or company can spread out their resources and investments across different sectors, markets, or products. This helps to minimize the impact of any one area experiencing difficulties, while also potentially increasing overall profits through access to new markets or products. In short, diversification is about expanding options and reducing risk through a well-thought-out strategy.